Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today was a pretty good day with the use of the 5-day, right? And then the 50-day as well. In the morning we had a clear rejection from 5-day, right? Um, and then we bounced off 50-day perfectly, right? Then again, we lacked the continuation here, right? A 5-day, then we rejected again, right? So then that was the last good trade you could have possibly taken, right? But yeah, there was no continuation. It was basically like we were in a range right here, right? In between here, right? So there's trades both ways, up and down, right? So I'm going to show you in the 5-minute as well, right? So 5-minute, right? We formed this head and shoulder, right? Then we also had another microstructure right here. Perfect entries right here, all the way down, right? And then you have to notice this blue tapering, right? Especially with the 50-day right here, right? So we had a perfect bounce off 50-day, and you really had to protect down here, right? And then you could have entered calls right here, right? Take it back up to here, right? And then you can see we tapered at yellow, right? So yellow was pretty high resistance here. We had no continuation. Um, then we broke over here as well, right? Good trade right here, right? And then basically, then you could have taken trades if you like to rest of the day, right? Based on good risk to reward. For example, a trade right here, right? It's pretty good right here at the break of yellow right here. But yeah, I'm gonna show you that intraday as well. But want to switch up, okay? So here's that head and shoulder right here, right? So left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? And then basically we completed an inverse cup, right? Then we get a handle of some sort, right here. So this trade was pretty good because I was also in scalps right here, right? This was today I just got so many A+ setups, right? So my first trade was actually right here, scalp right here. Then I missed this one because I was in the bathroom. Then I missed well, I didn't really take this trade. I don't know why I didn't take it, but I didn't trade it. But I was in like 800 profits from here, right? So like it allowed me to take a little bit more risky, not risky, but like um, like trades up here, for example, right? At this rejection level, I took trades right here because I was in profit, right? Again, I don't predict markets, right? The market could have easily bounced from here, right, and close this cup right here, right? So if I'm in profits, I usually take trades like a starter position right here, right? And then if you weren't in profit, you wait for this orange algo, right? Then this clear head and shoulder again, right? And then another drop right here, right? Then we retest this level again, right? So this was the right shoulder, right? And then we retested with the handle right here. And then this was a perfect way to pick the top because we got the handle algo, the white algo, right? I don't know why I put it as the white, whatever, but you can see the clear double top right here, right? And then this break right here. This was a perfect entry right here, because you got that confirmation as well as the retest of the yellow algo, right? And you can see we clearly broke above it with the double top. We broke below it. We broke below it with the double top, right? So pretty good entry right here, right? And then you can basically hold, and you have to understand structure, right? So and we're headed most likely, right, which is the 50-day, right? Then you can manage your position really well, right? If we break above the pink, right? But we were guided down pretty much with the blue here, right? You could protect some along the way, but you can see we're rejecting levels pretty nicely here. So pretty good trade. So again, I'm gonna show it to you again. So shoulder, head, another right shoulder, right? Then microstructure right here, handle, right? We completed an inverse cup, right? But again, in these trades, you could have taken scalps right here, scalps right here, scalps right here, right? Scalp right here, right? So there's always scalps to take, and it puts you in profit. So you can a little bit. When I'm in profits, I like to risk more. I don't know, like I just like to, especially because I'm in so much in profits already. Like it was whatever, right? I have a higher risk tolerance, if that makes sense. So I actually entered right here as well, right? But I also entered right here, right? And then I held it all the way down to 50-day. If you use market context, you'll know why. Then we bounced off the 50-day right here perfectly, right? And then you have the blue right here, right? Take a good starter position right here, um, off of blue right here. Again, same thing right here, right? Um, left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, perfect. Then microstructure right here off of pink as well, right? Um, perfect. And you're guided up by this strong green, right? This was a 2-point move. I actually didn't catch this move at all, but because I was in the bathroom again. I don't even know, bro. Something was going on with my bladder today, but then it's okay, you know, whatever. If I miss a move, whatever. Oh no, I actually did take this trade, but I took it here, right? Then I just took it to all the way up here, right? And how you manage this trade is basically within this green algo, right? And then also with this dark green, right? I saw multiple times a dark green pop up, right? But we just didn't have that continuation. So then the white algo appeared, right? Perfect rejection right here, right? Off of white. Wow, this is a lot today, guys. I didn't even realize. Probably you guys are confused, but this is another head and shoulder pattern. I'm gonna show you guys exactly where, right? But off of white, right? Left shoulder right here, head, then right shoulder right here, right? And perfect drop right here, a little scalp right here, right? Then we can obviously wait for the next structure, right? We're kind of in a chop right here, right? If we were headed up, right, we would have closed cups, right? But we didn't. We just kept heading down, and then right here was my other trade that I took. So with the orange, help of orange, right? Right here, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, off of orange, and then break of orange right here, right? Pretty good second trade. No, this was not a second trade. I was like, this is like the 5th trade. Today was so many opportunities, but yeah. Then I just noticed, like, I just didn't take the trade unless we would break down, right? Like this would be left shoulder, this would be head, and then this would be right shoulder right here, right? But we just didn't see that, so I just stopped trading after like 2:30. 2:30. So what's 2:30 right here? Some shit. Yeah. So right here, after we didn't break below, I just stopped right there at 2:30. And if we were headed up, right, I was of course looking for it right there, but I just didn't like to take this trade right now because it just didn't look good to me. Then we have the tapering as well. I didn't trade this at all, so, but yeah, we had this fucking tapering, so you have to be really careful there, right? And then we of course broke here, but this is the last 10 minutes. I'd never trade this, but this was a good possibility, right? All the way down to 5-day, right? So tomorrow you guys have to see like how we move, right? If we keep above the 5-day, right? If 5-day crosses below the 50-day, that's a very bearish signal, right? That's a bear flag. But if we hold here, right, 5 days gonna, and see what price happens tomorrow. If we close the cup, we should close the cup at 547 level. So tomorrow we should see like a big move up, right, and then some sort of handle, right, and then right. So wait for that, right, and then we can make highs, right. I'm gonna show it to you on the 5-minute. Wow, I'm so tired. I can't even explain. Wow, sorry guys. I'm just so tired. But okay. So 547, you close this cup, right? Then some sort of handle, right? And then the resistance is gonna be actually like this yellow, right? So this yellow is gonna move up, right? So just trade with the correct structure. Trade with good risk reward, right? But if we do reject from here, right, which we can of course. Wait, the purple is nice support, so make sure like we're building that good risk reward, right? But ultimately you want to wait for the cup to close to even take a position like that, right, to short it fully, right? You want the cup to close, and then some sort of handle right here off of purple, and then yeah, and then we're possibly gonna hopefully we a 50-day. I don't think it's gonna. Let's see what 50-day tomorrow and on Wednesday is, right? We might use the 50-day as the handle resistance, right? 50-day might move up, right? And then we use that as a handle resistance, right? More the better, right? And then the 5-day will move around below the 50-day, and then that's a bearish confirmation you need, right? So again, on the 30-minute, right, the structure is there, right? Want to wait for this break right here, and you want to wait for a good risk to reward, right? Don't take the trades, don't short it here, right? That would be dumb as hell. You want to wait for a better let price move, like chop a little, right, and then build a good risk to reward right here, right? But anyways, guys, that's my video today. I don't even know what I said, honestly. I'm so tired. I don't know why. Cooking really takes me out of me. Cooking really takes it out of me. I can't even think straight. Or I'm having like an energy dump, or like I'm just so tired. I traded the whole day today, and then I cooked for like 3 hours. Since 2:30, bro. I literally got off, and I was watching charts as well, and I was still cooking, bro. Like, that's the dedication I have. But anyways, guys, all right. See you guys tomorrow. Wait for confirmations. Wait for the cups to close. Inverse cup. See you guys tomorrow.